RixiePixie, and today I have this little box of goodies. These are snacks and treats, candies, stuff like that from Norway and France. So I am super excited to try these. I got these items at Epcot in Disney World in Orlando, and I am so excited about trying these. From France, I have two Lollipops. This one's strawberry, and then I have a grape one. And I also have, this looks like, I think it's a little chocolate truffle from France. And I got these little, like sampler chocolates. We have the dark chocolate, and this one is praline with milk chocolate, and this one is white chocolate with lemon. So that's really cool. These are all from France. And then I have this one treat, which is from Norway, I believe, and it's a Troika Bar. I think it's from Norway. I don't understand anything that it says on the package. Even the ingredients are in a different language, so I have no idea. I think it's from Norway. I'm pretty sure. But this is the Troika Bar. I have no idea what it is either. I just know that there's chocolate in it, but I have no idea what else is in it. So, by the way, you might have noticed I'm sitting in my bed. I am really tired today, so I don't feel like setting up my whole shebang. So we're just gonna sit and enjoy snacks in bed today. It is eating food in bed day. So I wanna try some of these chocolates. Let's see, let's do this one first. The milk chocolate praline nuggets. Here's a better close-up of it. Focus. Focus. Why aren't you focusing on the delicious chocolate? So yeah, so this is it's just a little chocolate square, milk chocolate with praline nuggets. And I love chocolate, and chocolate all over the world is so different. Getting chocolates made in the United States versus chocolates made in, say, Switzerland. Totally different. So, oh, that's cute. It's actually like the little chocolate square has like a little mold. I don't know if you guys can see that. The lighting is really bad over here, so I'm sorry. But yeah, let's take a bite of this. I'm fat. I'm just gonna stick the whole thing in my mouth. Mmm. That is really good chocolate. That is really good. And I guess the brand is Maxim's du Paris. Mmm. Oh, I like the praline one. Okay, so the milk chocolate with praline is awesome. So definitely gonna see if I can get more of that. That is really good. All right, next we'll try the white chocolate with the lemon nuggets. I'm really hungry, so I figured this was a good time to do a taste testing. Ooh. Oh, this one got a little melted, but this is what it looks like. Just white chocolate. White chocolate with a hint of lemon. That is very good. That is very, very good. A+ on that one too. Next we have the dark chocolate. And I love dark chocolate. Dark chocolate's actually better for you than milk chocolate. It contains more cocoa, and it does have a little bit more of a bitter flavor to it. It's not as sweet as regular milk chocolate, but look at how deliciously dark that is. that's surprisingly not bitter at all. It's just not as sweet as the milk chocolate. That is really good. Really, really good. What did I do with the paper? I wanted to see. It has like a crunchy cocoa bean texture to it. I think there's like ground cocoa beans in it. That's really, really good. I'm gonna load up on all the chocolate. Next we have this, it's the same brand, Maxim's, and I think it's a truffle. It's in this little wrapper. I think it's a truffle. I have no idea. I just saw a whole bunch of candy, so I grabbed one of each. Let's see. Ooh, that's interesting. So I think this has been sitting in their little container for quite some time because the color of the chocolate has changed quite a bit. This is usually what chocolate looks like if it's over its shelf life, but I'm still willing to try it. Oh my gosh. So I bit into the center of it and it's got like layers. Oh, it tastes like espresso. I think there's espresso in this one. Oh my gosh, that is so good. And of course the wrapper doesn't say anything. Just from that it's from France. I definitely think that was an espresso candy. That was really good. Wow. So far, France. Great chocolate. Alright, the last thing I have from France are the Lollipops. And I couldn't leave without trying French lollipops. I'm curious to see what these even look like. That last one's really chewy. It's like almost like a gummy. It's stuck in my teeth. Oh, cold coffee, cold coffee. I like iced coffee, but I'm not a huge fan of hot coffee that has gone room temperature. Alright, so this is the, before I open it again, this is the strawberry lollipop from France. Look, my lollipop has a cape. Do you guys do that when you have lollipops? Do you just pull the wrapper down and it's like dun da da da, super lollipop? I'm weird, I know. Ooh. So it's nothing fancy, it just looks like this. Ooh. That's really good. I'm trying to place the strawberry flavor to compare it to something. It's a very light strawberry flavor. It's not like overwhelming strawberry. It's really, really nice. That's tasty. I'm totally gonna save this for later. This is really good. And then see, if you do the superhero capes with your lollipops and you don't throw the little wrappers away, you can actually just wrap it right back up. And ta-da! It saves it for later. Yay! Okay. So here's the grape one. I'll try the grape one. Ooh. Look at the grape one. Let's try this one. Not a huge grape flavor, surprisingly. flavor is very, very mild. Very mild, but very good. Awesome. I'm going to save this one for later too. Those are very good. Very good lollipops. I like that the flavor's mild. It's not overwhelming. It's not like crazy flavoring. And they're very tasty. So I'm going to save these for later. And the last thing I have is from Norway. And since I only have one item from Norway, I figured I would make this a double feature kind of video. Ooh. I almost started getting hiccups just then. Okay, so again, this is the Troika Bar, and looking at it, it's triple something and chocolate. I have no idea what this is, and it's all in another language, and I don't know what language that is. So, and of course, I got all of these in Disney parks. In Epcot. So if you guys are interested in trying any of these, I know for a fact you can find them in Epcot. Other than that, maybe Amazon or eBay, don't know. But let's get this open. It opens nicely, and it actually has like an open spot, so I can actually reseal it. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, it got melted. Yeah, I'm in Florida. So chocolate melts. It's very melty, so I'm going to try to keep it in here. And I just want to break off a piece if I can. Ooh, it's very soft and gooey. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so messy. This is probably not a thing to eat on the bed, but it is really gooey. Really gooey. And it does have 3 layers. It looks like a jelly, a chocolate, and then a white layer, which almost looks like a coconut. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, getting this everywhere. Okay, I think that is a jelly. Chocolate. I'm not sure the layers, except for the jelly. But it is really good. It's almost like a chocolate peanut butter and jelly bar, like a chocolate jelly bar without peanut butter. Maybe a little peanut butter. That is really, really good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to stick this in the fridge because it's starting to melt like crazy. Excuse me. It's starting to melt like crazy, but that is really good. That is really, really good. So A+ on the Troika Bar. I love that. I love the jelly in it. That is really, really nice. That is a nice flavor. So that is it for this video of chocolate and candy taste testing from France and Norway. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel because I post lots of taste testing videos, toy hauls, all kinds of fun stuff, and beauty videos. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye!